Alright, motherfuckers, here we go. I'm about to make a little beat for you motherfuckers, man, a little bit of up your try. Alright, man, shut the fuck up, you hooligans over there. Man, I gotta rap, man, I gotta think about, man, what am I gonna do? Am I gonna blow up? Shut the fuck up, man, I don't wanna hear the shit, man, I wanna live life to the fullest, yo. I wanna spread that peace, I wanna spread that love, I wanna know what's up, man, I wanna go hit the world, man, I wanna explore this world that we got. I wanna know what's up, man, I wanna go to Jamaica, man, I wanna live it up, man, I wanna be the dude that just lives his life to the max to the fullest, yo. Hey, I wanna get a hippie band, I wanna get a hippie bus, so I come cruise just the world, man, I wanna know what's up, man, I wanna know what's out here, hey, yo. I thank God every single day. I ain't gonna cap, man, he's my Lord and Savior, man, I gotta think about, man, what is this life all really about? Hey, life really sucks and my best sweetest wish would be death, but I ain't gonna cap, man, the shit really sucks, but we gonna live it, yo, man, we gotta spread the peace, never be that hater, dude, oh, I gotta know what's up, man, I gotta figure out what is my goal, what is my passion, what am I gonna do in this world that we live, man, I don't fucking know, yo, all I really know is I'm gonna live, man, I'm gonna spread the love, man, I'm gonna spread that peace, yeah, I ain't gonna cap, when you talk shit, bitch, man, I'm gonna clap, hey, shut the fuck up, Sam, I'm trying to make a video, man, you're being annoying as fuck, man, you're only just cause you're on 6 fucking hits of LSD, doesn't mean you can talk, hey, you know what's up? You see my bitch, man, I made that bitch a couple years ago, yo, man, I used to take 10 doses at a fucking time, man, I was like, yo, hey, I just gotta let you know, mushrooms is where it's at, that shit's clean, that shit's fucking dope, man, that shit's just a purest fucking form of LSD, wait, no, that didn't make sense, but cycle bin, yo, man, that shit's very safe, man, you can go to sleep whenever you want, you don't have to sit back and be scared, yo, it's pretty good. Oh man, this shit ended, yo. Peace out, bros.